This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people, uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going, the belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given, they're taken, and I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me, my mindset, my choices, my willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit, because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it.
What's the deal, gang? Gotta extend that intro by like 5 or 6 minutes. I didn't have time to smoke. Just walked out, lit my J, and walked back in. Alright, who's excited? I'm fucking psyched to be back, yo. I am happy that we are freaking back. Glad to see everyone back here too. Let it fill up. I see some new names. New names, old people. Hey. You don't hear me speak in Zoom? No, don't start this shit right now. Fuck. Why do you not hear me in Zoom? Alright, can you guys hear me in the Zoom right now?
Yes, we
Yes,
can.
now we can hear you.
Yeah, we can hear you now. Yep.
Alright, fuck, man. Panicking and shit. Yeah, it's something me and Jay changed. How about YouTube? You guys hear me? No response from YouTube. Why can't they just talk back like the Zoom guys? Hell yeah, we're back, man. New name, who this? Damn. Everyone's back. Martin, Bougie, Green, you fucking fossil, bro. What's up, man? I've missed you. Where you been at? We're fucking back. Spaceman Sam, Wish 9, Jay Good. Oh man, I'm so happy seeing these names. Warrior was losing it. He was leaving messages on every reel. He's like, "Where you at? Where you at now? How about now?" Jonathan. Yeah. I got jumped, robbed. virtually jumped. They ran up on me. Caught me lacking. Yeah, I had to go get some virtual stitches on my heart. Yeah, everybody here. Celebrate the return. I'm going full leverage. Oh, 8:27. Hold on. It's fucking Thursday. Damn. It's Thursday. Remember we spoke about this? I think Thursday was the day we have news. Wow. Yeah, the only day of the week, the first day of the week that we have red folders. We have news here in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Is there an echo? No, there isn't. Ooh, error from YouTube. You need to change the video resolution. The current resolution of 3840 by 2160 is not supported by this configuration. The expected video resolution is 1920 by 1080. Why? Why? It keeps sending me this error. The stream's current bitrate is higher than the recommended bitrate. We recommend that you use a bitrate of 13.5K. Why, bitch? Why? Are you guys seeing lag? It's telling me that users are going to experience lag. There's no way there's a 20-second delay. There's a 6-second delay. Yeah, now there's about a 4-second delay. All right, we got news here. News just hit. Is the market moving? Market ain't doing shit. Let's mark up some levels first of all. Now that we've hopped on here and shit seems to be working. Oh yeah, my mouse is lagging. I feel my mouse skipping. I don't know why. Why is it doing that? I just updated the RAM. I got brand new RAM. I got more of it. Why are we skipping, mouse? Tell me what the problem is. What the problem is. Sad he didn't mention my name. Oh yeah, Raj. Definitely. Raj is on like 8 streams right now. Lone trader. What up, man? Cheap ass mouse. No, this shit is, bro. This designer. Designer mouse. It's just wireless. Bad numbers. Well, it's a mixed bag, but the important ones, the red folders, the red number and an even. So we should come up on gold, but you also have these orange folders with good numbers, so a mixed bag, maybe some whipsaws. You've been gone too long, we all unemployed now? I figured if I was gone too long, you guys have jobs. JOB funding. Get it right, get it tight. We We are clearly bearish on the daily. I mean, the previous day closed bullish, but it closed more of a doji candle, really indecisive here. And when that happens, remember what I said, I usually tend to block out that candle as such. Right, so over here, this is how I see it. I just see it like this. We're continuing on down. This level I think is lower. It's gonna run past it once we get down there. This mouse, yo, this is gonna be a tough stream if it keeps doing this. That's a good level. And the reason I extended it here is if we're looking for sells, if I have this level up here, there's a lot of stuff in the way, but if I extend it here to the edge of the range, it makes a little more sense off the 5. That's where these wicks come into. But for sells, right, we're not looking for this range in order to take entries in here. We're looking to have a clean range in the next one, and below 28.90 here, it's clean. It's just every closure below there just tends to drive us down. So, can we have another level below there? It's a massive range. Yeah, this is the news candle. We have mixed numbers. We have a mixed bag. Remember, I just said like 5 minutes ago, I might get a whipsaw. That's what we're kind of looking at, up and down. But back to square one, back to normal places. Your voice a bit low? It's because I'm a bit high. When I'm a bit high, the voice a bit low. We're gonna wait for this to push. This is a huge range, 170 pips. We're probably gonna see some levels here on the smaller time frame. Ideally, remember I spoke about, I don't know if I spoke with you guys. I think it was the inner circle. But we're kind of creating the smaller range inside a larger range. And what happens in these situations is I look for us to, whoops. A range here. Got a range here. I'd look for us to tap the wall of the range and drive the other way, or break the smaller time frame range. All right, so here's what I will look for. Now that we've tapped this area, I will look for us to break out. And if we can do this, I'm not looking for sells here. I'm not looking for sells quite yet at this point. Unless we fill the range to support. So if we close right outside it, I'm not looking for it. If we fill this range, I can start looking for top wicks for a retest at a low. But if we do something like this, I might not be looking for sells. I'd probably be looking to close back in range and see something like this. And then once we're up here, this is where I'll look for the buys. Right? Because over here, we're going to have a closure outside the range, indicating volume, a fake out, a fill of the range. Once we break the range the other way, we're going to take the buys. If we're able to do this, fill the range all the way down to the next support, bounce off of it, and come back up in here, I might look for buys. So if this candle ends up doing, coming all the way down to here, right? Or even if it does this, and then off this higher level bounces off back into this range, then I can trade this area. First I would need a bounce off that higher time frame support, and then we can trade this back into the range, trade it up with the bottom wick here. But until that happens, until we tap this closure back in range, I can look for a closure above the range there. But once we fill it and bounce off support, then I can say, all right, we bounced off a heavy area, strong support, grabbed enough orders. Once we're back in range, we're going to continue up. So I'm looking for a few things, right? First, I'm looking for either a drive past this or past this. Then I'm looking to see if we fill the range or if we close somewhere mid-range and close back in range. Is he lagging or isn't my Wi-Fi good? Well, that's what I said. It might lag. But if it lags, I gotta go into settings. I gotta restart the stream because I'd have to change the bit rate for the stream. I don't know, gang. You guys let me know like if it's gonna get really bad, I'll cut the stream and I'll restart. I'll go. It's gonna take some time to figure it out, so we'll have to probably, you know, pause the stream for like 20 minutes. Honestly, I haven't taken too many trades. We've traded in the Signal channel, but I haven't taken too many trades because I haven't really been as locked in outside of stream, because I've been trying to get everything back and working on my YouTube. So am I? All right, thank you. Hello there. Hello, boss. All right, admit all. Why can't we admit more people? Do we hit our max? Oh, no, there we go. Got no lag on Zoom. Straight cheese, ain't no lag on Zoom. Join the Signal channel to have no lag. YouTube can't handle streams over 1080p? No, it can. Twitch can't do over 1080p. But I've researched this. There's plenty of people streaming in 4K. YouTube, I think, is the only platform that you can stream in 4K. I did some research on this. You might have had a chance clarifying shadow ban. You know? I did ask, but they did not answer because that question was like a side note to like 10,000 other questions about me recovering my account. Did I change my camera? Yeah. Change the camera, change the angle. I'm sure you lost subs. I did. I lost about 45, 50 subs. They also, I spent hours yesterday trying to regain all my content and make it all public again. What do hackers need? We got the shower. There's literally nothing they could have stolen except the only thing they could have done with my Gmail was pay some bills. That's about it. Like what they did was make me delayed in all my payments. And they took away my YouTube Premium for a week that I had commercials. You fixed the crypto payment for the Signals Wix. I'm waiting on a response from Coinbase after submitting all my corporate paperwork, and they haven't responded, but that's actually written down here on my list of things to do today. See, that's what it says right there. Coinbase link to WAP. Got a notification you posted on YouTube, got excited. Actually, the very last video yesterday was a new one. What do you consider marking up levels? Marking up levels means drawing ranges. Oh shit, because of all this shit. Yo, somebody who won? I don't think I sent out damn, I just pulled the Eddie on him. I don't think I sent out the last account, the winner. Who was the last winner of the giveaway?
That will probably be me.
No, it wasn't you. We were actually happy that it wasn't you or Eddie.
They hate me.
Yeah, you guys keep winning. Who won? Does
Winners
anyone
win.
remember? I don't remember who won. Oh, was
No,
it?
I
Was
was
it
out
Nate?
of town.
Nate
I
won,
don't
right?
remember. I was flying on Friday.
Yeah, you weren't here.
Next week I'll be flying on Thursday just for that reason.
Nice. Yeah, if you got a streak, you can't not show up. Yo, why are we moving like this? What's going on now?
I think we have more people at the Zoom door at Wix. Oh man, this is dropping.
Yeah.
Is it going to reject or keep going? Okay, thanks.
My mouse is skipping. I really don't like this. Like I had it fixed last week and then now it's skipping again. Huh. Well, bounced off of here. And I need to break up. Can't you check your ChatGPT history? Yeah, but it's a lot easier to just ask you guys, right? It's like, hey. You guys can find out what COMEX is and what NYC Open is, right? But you guys still ask. You guys can just Google it, but you still ask because it's easier. We're human beings. We're lazy by nature, right? You guys aren't dumb, aren't stupid. I remember Uncle Ted used to say, "People are fucking idiots. People are stupid." And I'd be like, I don't think they're stupid. They're just lazy.
Trump just officially permanently ended thousands of USAID funded health programs in South Africa. I guess that was.
Oh, no more sex changes for Somalian prisoners? Say it ain't so, man. Fuck. Damn. What is Abdul going to do? Damn. Y'all can't hijack Captain Phillips no more.
$50 million in condoms. They're not going to get their condoms. Oh my God.
Damn.
Oh yeah, I heard about that. I was like, wait, what? Yo, it made absolutely no sense. It's insane.
Not like, bro, so much shit doesn't make sense.
Oh, and remember, last night, Pam Bondi confirmed that she would be releasing the Epstein list today.
I heard that.
I'm waiting to see what's going to happen.
I heard.
They've been trying to erase so much shit, so we'll see. We'll see.
Epstein list coming.
I better not be on it.
A few presidents are on it, that's for sure.
Look, I don't mind being on any list that some presidents are on, except the hit list. I'm not trying to be on the same list with Kennedy and Trump. But other than that, man, that's fire. But who's got the list? Which agency holds, like, his client list? Is that the CIA? FBI? Because the way Kash Patel was talking, I thought it was, like, just him going on. Like, that was his initiative. But I guess Pam Bondi's his boss, right? Because she's technically in charge. She's
is his boss,
in charge of every agency, right? So she would be like, everyone would come to her, like the CIA, FBI, they all would come to her, right?
She is Cash's boss, so she has the list apparently. Yeah, correct.
I can already see her at her desk this morning, like, "Yo, Cash, you got whiteout?" We're gonna have to retype this, bro. Benny, don't look at me. I know you on the list too. Don't look at me like that. I like when dogs look at you and you're talking to them and then they just turn their head sideways, like they understood everything you said. Or like you're an idiot. I don't know, one of the two. But he's looking at me and then he went sideways and he went, "Rrr." Honestly, I don't think we'll ever find out the source of his money, though. I don't think that's ever going to be a thing. Yeah, there is an Inner Circle call today right after our stream.
Yeah, we know where the money came from originally. People just don't want to talk about it because they don't want to see that state as a bad state. But you know what we're talking about.
You know, Israel has really taken people out all over the world. So, like,
yes, and their own people too.
Yeah, so...
But because they control the media and the Democrats, people don't see them as bad in any way doing something that it's all victim, victim, victim. And get rid of all the whites. But, oh, I'm not white, I'm Jewish. What? I mean, bro, you can't have it both ways. Mossad was funding Epstein for years, controlled everything, did it all, and now it's all coming out. A lot of people are talking about it, and
YouTube about to shut
it's
the stream
public
down.
on.
Not
Yeah,
the
yeah, I
Trump.
guarantee it. On X and
Not on
Rumble,
the
they're
Trump.
talking about it all the time.
Bro, you better watch
Yeah,
out.
yeah,
Mossad watching the stream right now. They're out there like, look, man,
yeah.
somebody needs to quiet this guy. We can't have him over there on stream.
They are tech geniuses. They have created most of the stuff that we have today. I mean, it's insane what they do. So they are very good at that. So I'm sure they're probably watching you on webcam.
They lead the world in medicine and technology. World leaders. 'Cause they don't have the bottleneck in terms of, you know, testing and developing shit that everyone else has. But like equipment, medical equipment, X-ray machines, like shit like that, like that's where the high quality shit comes from.
And WhatsApp.
But I just want to have it confirmed. Like, this is what Epstein did to get rich. This is where the money came from. This is what financed everything that he was able to do. That's what I want to see. I want to see the story, not like, oh, but who were the clients? But there's way more for him to get to that level. Like, a lot of bad shit had to go down for Epstein to get there. That's that shit I don't like. There's a lot of volume. These, like, every candle is 100 pips up and down. Oh wow, there's a lot of conversation in the inner circle group. Nice. Schmidt was talking? No. It's a Schmidt show every time he talks. This fucker. Yeah. It's gonna be a complete Schmidt show. Oh, it feels so good to be back. I was wearing headphones, just waking up in the morning and just putting on these headphones and just sitting there in complete silence every morning. Let's look at spot chart. Oh, why do I have the spot chart marked up? Is that from yesterday? That's funny. Yeah, that's my spot chart. Oh wow, this is 50 pips too. Well, let's see. Let's get down to the 5. Let's see where we'd want a closure below here if we do break down. I'm gonna close below there. But for now, we've had a 5 closure above the range. I don't really like this because remember I said once we close outside the smaller time frame range, highly likely we fake out unless we fill the higher time frame range, at which point we can start locking in on positions. I think we drew this out earlier on the initial breakdown. Coming down here, faking out, coming back up, closing above this range. Yo, you're an idiot. This guy. Hold on a second. Benny, what are you doing, bro? Come on. Yeah, he just did the same shit as so yesterday. I got a glass door, and right in front of the glass door there's a curtain. Every time he hears a noise outside, he runs through that curtain and outside. But yesterday the door was closed, and he ran right through the curtain and into the glass door at full speed. So yesterday I saw that shit, and it's all right, bro. It's all right. I'm just telling him about yesterday. Just telling him about yesterday. All right, come on. You want to say hi? Let's go. Let's say hi to everybody. Come on. Hugga mugga. Hugga mugga. Let's go. Bring it in. Bring it in. Come on. You gonna bring it in or what? Let's go. Yeah. Good boy. We gonna hug or what? Let's hug. Let's hug it out. Let's hug it out. Let's hug it out. Your mouth looks like a shark. He's got 2 different color eyes, chat. One is blue, the other one is hazel. It's pretty cool. All right, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Get off me. Go. Go, bro. All right, 4 hour just closed on. Wow. If my mouse can move, let's go. Taking a buy right here. Just took a buy. My mouse was taking a little while to get to the fucking buy thing. Looking to fill the range up. I said I was going to look for a closure above that smaller time frame range, but we've pushed heavily. Didn't really close exactly above. But I would expect the top wick to be made on this candle after that push up. Got in a little late. I couldn't find my freaking mouse on the screen. It just wouldn't move. Looking for a flip here. Once we flip, I'll close half my position. Or one of the 2 positions. Right there, just closed half my position at 10 pips. On the dot, moving stops to break even, making this a risk-free trade. This is now us playing with house money. If it re-breaks the low, we got the tip of the wick. It'll make a steeper bottom wick. If it doesn't re-break the low, we'll just have some runners to the top of the range. That's how we'll play it. But I closed 10. I'm sorry, 11. I closed half at 11. So one of the two positions I had running here was closed at 11 pips. Let's see if we can come up here. Closing full right there at the fill of the wick. And the combined total on this trade was 38 pips. Congratulations. Just closed full. 38 pips. We're fucking back! No drawdown. W. The streak lives on. 115 straight here on stream. We literally went over this lesson in the inner circle on Tuesday. Day before yesterday this was the lesson. Was it Tuesday or was it last Thursday? This was one of the lessons. W. All right, I closed here as we filled the wick. The smaller time frame didn't really close above the range, but because we've had this monster push off the support, I was expecting at least the fill of the wick off a bottom wick, and that's what we just did. That's our advantage point. Once we start getting closures above the actual range, we'll look to continue, but because this price never actually closed above here, we just played the advantage point. That's it. We didn't really extend the runner there, but we did have a runner. I forgot about my runner.
We got a runner!
There we go. A little late, but better late than never. Uh-oh. 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 That was one of the best songs Ja Rule ever dropped. That and welcome to New York City. Yo, who's fucking Click Malone over there? Kevin, your mouse is loud as hell. How'd you get out in profit? This range 120 pips for this range. All right, back down. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Oh, gold, how I love you. Click Malone took me out. What do you mean? First you click, then you post. You get too focused on candles and structure, I forget to measure ranges. I used to do that, but like the thing is, all of it comes together at one point where you stop forgetting. There's a checklist of things, right? And check this, check that, and like initially you're like, damn, that's a lot of things to check off. Your comedy's elite status. Thank you. Unfortunately, I get paid nothing for comedy. But you guys are winners. You guys get to laugh. Stockton be hitting Click Malone this morning. Yeah, I feel you, Kenny. You guys know, you know when you smoke, but then there's when you smoke like this. That's when you're really enjoying it. You gotta lean your head up to the sky. In my head, I'm like, bet hourly closure above, bottom wick, 2 are of interest, flip, I'm in. Oh shit, this is a 200 pip hourly candle. Yeah. Well, there we go. See, that would have took us out. So we closed perfectly. I mean, we could have squeezed a little more out of it, maybe another 10, 15, but I'm not trying to take 100% of the range, right? Take 10, 15% of a 100 pip range. We're good. Are you just coming back up, or are you thinking it will be bearish? I don't know. That's going to be me predicting. I have no idea because there was no closure outside the range. So for now, just noise, right? That closure was above the most recent. I'd figure we fill the wick. But for now, that was just noise. Plus, if you saw the level I drew up here in the middle was right there. This was the level on spot gold here. So we did close above that. Right? We closed above here. But can't disregard this top level, right? Look at this. It held, closed back in. The only advantage here was the wick. Closed at the tip of the push. Wow. You edging. Right on the edge. Yeah, my content guys, they were like, hey man, I need you to start streaming. I'm running out of content. You got some shit to do today, bro. We can finally do shit today. You got content for it. Trying to give you content for the next week just today. But great trade. Glad we took pips out of this range. Like, look at this. They're printing. Come on. Printing side by side, and we still got dubs out of this range. Motherfucker. Chat. Somebody help me figure out this mouse. It keeps sticking. Look at this. I'm moving it and it just, oh, right now. This is one of those times where, you know, you bring your or you call the cable company. You're like, yo, nothing works. And when the guy arrives, everything's working. And it's like, I swear, the shit was just not. Spit on that thing. Haktua. Oh yeah, you're right. This shit works. Oh, stream record. Hell yeah. Let's update it. $429. All right, that's updated. Just ran the update on the buys. When your computer mouse skipping and jumping, it's usually due to hardware issues, surface problems, or software glitches. Well, that's kind of everything. There's nothing else it can be because there's just nothing else involved. There's definitely no surface problems. It's a great surface. This is a brand new mouse versus the old mouse that's over here that was skipping, right? The old mouse. And then
You have maybe USB port issues?
no.
Is there something loose there?
No, definitely not. I've checked all that. Everything is fine.
Is the battery low or?
And you know what? It was working fine yesterday until I changed my RAM and updated the drivers and updated the BIOS on my motherboard. And once I turned everything on, it was kind of, maybe I need to update the driver on the mouse, but I've done.
It's possible. What's the sensitivity or the acceleration of your mouse? Did you fix that or did you change it to enable it to make it
I don't know.
more precision?
Real quick. Real quick. 0 to 100 real quick.
Real quick. So you changed it, okay?
Acceleration of the mouse? No, I haven't changed it. It's just kind of, I don't know. I think
go into
0 to 60.
Go into your control. Yeah, no, but you can do it even faster. Go into your control panel, click on mouse, and then your pointer options, and you should be able to. There's a slider there. You should be able to change it to see what you prefer.
Hold on.
Yeah. Are you using Windows, by the way, or Mac?
No, this is a Windows.
Okay, yeah, control panel, mouse, and then your pointer options.
Did you guys see that meme? The guy put his fucking MacBook inside his Windows so it stays up, and he was like, "Look, Mac supports Windows." It's pretty funny. Saw this shit the other day.
So control panel, mouse, pointer options.
Hold on, the mouse.
Then there's a slider.
The mouse has to scroll to there first.
Oh my God!
Keeps lagging. That's why I almost missed the trade. I was like, if this mouse could just fucking get to the buy button before we miss it.
So you increased your RAM, so your CPU usage should be lower, but is it still high or no?
It's half. My
half,
CPU usage was at like 87% yesterday, and then
Damn.
after I did the RAM, it's at around 42, 43 right now.
You know, I have an issue sometimes with my mouse, and it's because I have other mouse or mice or whatever that are nearby, so it kind of links to them at the same time. Sometimes there's an interference. That might be an issue.
Disconnected. They're all turned off, batteries out. Every mouse, I've just put the little receiver, you know, inside the whole battery compartment. Yeah, dude, you have to update your BIOS and drivers. I did. I updated the BIOS and drivers right as I restarted. Once I insert the RAM, right? Because how do you do it? You put your BIOS update on a whatchamacallit, on a USB drive, right? So I put it on a USB drive, and then then you change your RAM and you plug in that USB drive, and as it starts up, you have to go to BIOS immediately and update your BIOS from the flash, because you can't update BIOS from Windows. So I did all that, and I see it working, right? And I see that everything went down, everything's working fine, but this mouse keeps getting stuck.
Maybe the speed might be able to help then, but you might need to also update the driver
for the mouse separately, probably. It might be the CPU usage and RAM. Well, hold on, let's do this.
You just said it's not the issue anymore.
Yeah, no, I just changed the RAM, so.
So I don't know, are you running Windows 11? If yes, you can just put in the search bar mouse and then mouse settings, and it'll just pop up right away.
Hold on,
and you can change the mouse.
Look at my task manager. So CPU usage 33%, memory 52%, disk 11%, GPU 69%. Does that tell anyone anything? Anyone a computer nerd? need Elon.
Yeah, Eddie's saying GPU should be down at 42%.
It's running hotter than it usually is. It's usually running at like 40 degrees. 38, 39 degrees, 40 degrees. Right now it's running at 50 degrees.
Oh, Eddie said it was a 420 joke for 42%. Got it. But yeah, I just ran it here on AI. It says high GPU usage can indirectly cause a computer mouse issues like lagging, stuttering, or delayed response. Though it's not a direct result of the mouse hardware itself, the GPU handles rendering visuals on your screen, including the cursor, when it's overloaded. It can actually affect how smooth inputs are displayed or processed.
But it shouldn't be
So it
overloading.
actually-
I got a 3070. There's nothing to overload. This is the only thing that would mess with this is the lower RAM, which I updated.
All right, so maybe driver update and then move
That's
the
what I'm gonna
mouse speed. That might be ideal.
Mouse settings. Pointer speed. It's right in the middle.
Yeah, change it to the right, move it to the right to see if that works a little bit better so it's faster.
Oh, hell yeah. I just
Because the middle is
think
just
it and
the
it's on
default
other end
setting.
of the screen. Hell yeah, this is better.
It might be extremely fast if you put it all the way to the right, but
No, I
whatever
put
you
it
feel
all the way
comfortable
to the
with.
right.
Okay. And
I
see
need
if
it to
that
be-
works better.
Look at this shit. It's flying.
Oh. All right. And then check if your driver needs to be updated.
Nah, I'm just gonna
For the
fire
mouse.
his ass. Came with a black guy, but he kept getting pulled over.
Yeah. Melon black. Nice. So I don't know if you know
Lower
where to
your
go. You go
display
to,
resolution. You know, you might be right in that somehow. I'm like cause the screen, right? The screen share, the camera itself is 4K, but the screen I'm sharing off my PC is not 4K. So I might have to lower, but I did. I set it up so it can work with screen at full HD. I mean, with my desktop at full HD, but the camera's streaming at 4K.
so go into your in your search box and click Device Manager. And then look for mice
I don't
and other
wanna-
pointers, and then update them all.
Yeah, I don't want to update drivers right now. I'll do it after stream.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
The Ace of Trades. That's a new name.
But whoever set the screen resolution to be lowered, it makes sense. I mean, I see it really clearly on Zoom. Like it looks like 4K.
Oh, it
That's
is
what
4K.
that's what my extender screen is. It's 4K, so it looks awesome. So I don't know whoever sees it differently. But if you have it as a high screen resolution on your end, it might be easier. That might be harder for the mouse to work on that aspect. But if you lower it, hopefully it doesn't reduce the quality. But we still see it clearly on Zoom without an issue.
I honestly have no idea where my mouse arrow right now is. I'm just literally searching through all three screens. Oh yeah, it's faster, but it's also skipping faster. Like when I move it and it skips, I'm like, where the fuck did it go?
So don't move it all the way to the right. Move it maybe 3/4. It'll help you because, yeah, really fast is not ideal. There it is. I see it.
Oh, it's on this screen. All right. All right, cool. I found the mouse. Ace of Trades, Rich Manny Low. Damn. New identity, bro. Witness protection program for Manny. Hank in the building. Enhanced pointer precision that can cause skipping.
Yeah, I think it's already by default. Put it on, but check it. That's where you had the
I'm
mouse
gonna turn it
or
off
pointer
right
speed.
now. There we go, turned off.
It's going to be horrible. You'll see it.
Well, I can see the mouse for now, but it is horrible.
Yeah, no, you got to leave it on. It's on by default. It's otherwise it's absolutely horrible.
Well, let's see. Hold on, because I can control it like this, and if it's not gonna make it lag, I'm cool with this right now. Because I can follow this mouse. Yo, this is the Schnitt show playing out right now, right?
I mean, it's just still in the range.
Yeah, right here. Member Schmidt speaks 9:15. Jay, you work in IT? No, he works in as a private detective. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a private dick. Yeah.
Private.
No, I did not work in IT, but I like learning about a lot of stuff. So I read and try to understand things as to how they work or what happens to them. Or I just bought the 2 TVs, right? I just started reading the entire manual. I mean, it's just the way I am. So I learn that way every time. Otherwise, I feel stupid. I feel uncomfortable. I feel like I'm just, same as trading, right? You're just like gambling if you don't understand what the hell you're doing. I need to understand what I'm saying and do it. So I have to learn it. And over time, you just catch information here and there. And then you become a profitable trader and make 115 fucking straight wins in a row on stream.
Damn. 115. Today is exactly 3 months since our last loss here on stream. It's exactly 3 months, considering the fact that there has been a trade placed every single day. November 27th was our last loss on stream. We closed out that loss for minus 17 pips. November 27, 2024. Thought you lost 10 pips a couple days ago. I had a minus 22 that wasn't on stream. Plus minus within 10 pips, I'll call it a break even. Minus 6, minus 8, plus 8. Like, we'll call those break even. But the only loss that I've had was minus 22 pips, and that was off stream. Jason out here keeping me accountable. He did. I had a... That was off stream last week, yeah.
Yeah, that's why I always make sure I write in the information that it's on stream. 115 straight wins on stream. So if he just sends a signal or does Asian and it's not streaming, it doesn't count if there's a loss.
Well, the wins don't count either. There's so many wins that have been taken outside of the stream
Straight.
that just don't count. Like, we would
Facts.
have like 600 or 700 wins right now.
Bro, in the last week, we traded every day, and you had one trade that was a loss and another one that was a loss, but it gave you break even on the entire day after having a win. Yeah, I've been making a shit ton of money just from the analysis. I'm almost at 1,000 pips or something for the week. So, bro, for the month, I think I'm going to reach 4,000 by tomorrow.
4,000, yeah.
Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane.
Yeah, Jay's fucking killing it. 4,000 pip month. Yeah, you're right, Jay. I gotta turn that thing back on. Like, this mouse. For me, I get to like a tab, and as soon as I try to click on it, it just doesn't. It misses it. So yeah, I need to enhance pointer precision. Turn on click lock. Click lock. No. Hardware. Get the Lambo. My daughter's against the Lambo because all three of them can't sit in there. So they want, they're all like, can you get like a sports car that fits all of us? And I think the only option is the GTR. That's got back seats. And I'm not a Porsche guy. I think Porsches are built very well. I just don't like the way they look.
Your mouse is not battery operated, right? It's USB charged.
No, it's on a battery. It's
Your
Bluetooth.
mouse is on a. No, I'm saying, how do you power your mouse? Do you have to put a battery inside it, or
Yeah,
is it
yeah.
USB
Yeah, no,
charged?
there's a freaking battery inside it.
Oh, well, maybe did you change the battery? Maybe that's an issue. I don't. Wow, you have a
Brand
battery
new
in your
mouse.
mouse.
I just ripped out the little thing out of there, and it's the mouse it came with like a week or two ago.
Yeah, I haven't bought a mouse with a battery in years. They're all USB charged, USB-C.
Yeah, but they work on a wire if you leave them.
No, they're wireless, and if they're dying, I plug it in to charge it through my laptop through the USB-C port, and it charges within about 3 hours because it has many colors on it and lights. But then it stays on and lasts for like 2 weeks.
I got a wired mouse. I could try to see if it's gonna work better.
Oh, you have a what? Wait,
I have
that's,
I have a lot of
open.
different mice.
NYC just opened. But yeah, I mean, maybe that's the issue. Try to use something without a battery or change the battery. Maybe there's a glitch.
Yeah, this is too close to call here. Looks like a gladiator candle that broke us up, but this is too close. Bro, what happened? Oh, he's barking because the door's closed. He wants to come in here. My bad. I forgot you didn't have opposable thumbs. Come in. Come in. Sorry.
Yeah, I think if you unplug the mouse, plug it back in, and then update the driver, that'll give you an idea. But otherwise, I would recommend maybe you try a different mouse that's batteryless, and that charges with USB-C.
Sounds like a felony.
Nate sent on the Discord a mouse link from Walmart that he recommends in the Clubhouse chat. I think somebody's at the Zoom door as well.
Yes, they are. Thank you. Bong, come on in. We've reached our new all-time highs with Zoom viewers. Logitech G Pro wireless gaming mouse. No.
Yeah, my mouse is the
Fuck that.
gaming as well.
Whoa, whoa. Where's my YouTube?
The hell am I saying?
Oh, you're seeing my, because I got 3 screens, so it's a.
Is that a robot?
It's a spaceman, but he's stretched along 3 screens, so you only see the left screen.
Ah,
It's the edge.
okay. Cool.
It's my wallpaper. It's a little
Yeah, I just bought
spaceman.
a screen extender as well.
Sam.
Ah, that's where he was. We were looking for him earlier.
He's floating on my he's floating on my screen.
Okay, this is a shitty open right now.
Yeah, I mean, this is just noise, honestly. Just noise. Like, it hasn't set up. We need to fill this range up and make a decision, or we need to start closing back below 28.95 to take some sells. Closed above, respected it, but then it came down here, so need more candles to print. What else then? Hold on a second, chat. Eddie got exposed. He bought keyboard from Timo too. Now that virus spread like fire. Hell yeah. Half the chat is infected. Plus me. I need a hotkey for buy and sell buttons because this isn't working right now. Damn it. Yo, I'm about to launch this shit. Wick's the only guru. I'm not really a guru, more of a guide.
Did you say God with an accent?
Guide. G-U-I-D-E.
I know, and I'm just messing with you.
Big D on there. G-U-I capital
Pause.
D. E.
Pause.
Take a second to look at the stream record. It's crazy to me too. It's crazy because like it's happening and like this is like I used to wish for times like these. I used to like literally just fucking, I'm just gonna be honest, I used to cry for times like these. I used to just break down and be like, why? Yeah, to trade like this, has a perfect run going? It's going. Meek Mill, to shine like this, time, yeah, to rhyme like this, basically.
Oh, some news just came out. The U.S. House Judiciary Committee just subpoenaed Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Rumble, TikTok, and X over foreign censorship of American speech.
That's got to be before election times.
What do you mean? No, this is today, February 26th.
Yeah, but they haven't censored
Oh,
anything.
yeah. No,
This
you're
is for
from the
stuff
past.
that they did during the Biden administration.
Yeah, 100%. That pushed the Dow Jones up like 150, almost 200 points on the open.
Came out, tapped resistance here, held again. If we start closing below 28.95 like we spoke about before, we will look for sells to finish out the range. There's a lot of room here. There's 50 pips just closure to closure. I want to see if we can have sells somewhere below where the wick is right now. Below 28.97. Because technically that would be range 2 on a smaller time frame. Let's see how this pushes here. It rebroke its own low, right? Yeah, chat, I'm gonna take a sell right here. Just took a sell. I'll look to finish out the range down for it to make a decision. And if we pull back, I'll look for entries right here at this wick as well, 28.98.18. Whoa, close right there. Close. Ah! This fucking mouse! Fuck. Yeah, I saw about 28 pips. It closed me at 14 pips. 14 was the closure. I saw 28. I was trying to close it right here, but my mouse would just not get to the X. Couldn't get to the close button. Yeah, still a W. But because we had, you gotta understand, we've came down here, rejected this area, pulled up. Now a rebreak of this, otherwise it would either reject heavily up, or if it breaks the low, it's gonna fill the range. Sorry, this is not it. And it broke the lows here, its own low. So I just said we're gonna fill this range. That's gonna be our advantage point. So I saw about 28 pips. I got in here. It's all right. Another win. Another W. 14 pips. Yeah, once we start closing below here, we will look for some more positions. But we need to actually close. We've reached a support. Thing is, it's so clean below here. Like, once we break this, it just might plummet down. But I'm not willing to take that unless we get a closure. Even a 5. Like, I'll take a 5 closure here at this point. That's why we're on the 5. This will also be a 15 close.
Roger, 0J, and I feel fine. Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
got clapped. I got in at 28.94 on sell stops. Yeah, should have held. Should have held. All right, broke these lows. I want to get in. My fucking mouse. If I can get to a sell button, I'm gonna take a sell, just like I just did. And it only registered one of them. There we go. I took a sell here. I should have been up here. Got a little lower. Expecting us to fill the range down. Either now or on the next candle. Expecting to fill the rest of the range. Closing full right there, 26 pips. Just filled the whole range here to the support, 26 pips. W. W! Now we wait for a closure, maybe a top wick on the 5. Yeah, we filled the range here to here, right? To the next support. W. Alright, let's get rid of this now. Close 70 on 2 sells, 30 flips. Should have held. Would be at 200. You could have held in this one too, but then you'd be down. Right? Like it's shoulda, woulda, coulda. Hindsight is always 20/20. No, be confident what you're doing. And if you think you can do more, slowly over time, optimize, right? Because even a win, but a win that you think you could have had more on, right? Would be a moron. Yeah, a win that you think you could have more pips gained, right? It's like a loss, right? You take your lessons from the loss to make sure it doesn't happen again. The same way you take your lessons from an early closure here, and you have to recognize where it makes sense, where it doesn't make sense, but still, you know, make that close a lesson. Right? Don't wait for a loss to happen to be a lesson. You can find a teachable moment in anything. Like they can show up at the most random times. Yeah, I see the 5 closure. That's not the wick I wanted. I wanted a wick up to here, 28.96.25. See the level here that finished out the range. So once we found a little support here, right, just like we did here, I would start looking for mirrors in the market to see how we drove. And when I see this closure, I see the next candle came up here for a top wick, right? And the closure there was here. So at the very least, I'm looking for a top wick to this area and for pineapples around here. But we just made a small top wick and came straight down. So there's probably a level that runs across here, but earlier on that we just don't see. Right? Look at these wicks and look at this closure, right there. This is solid level. I think that's where we're running from, right? You see the closure. You see the wicks right into it, dropping down. So let's go to current times. That's exactly where we drove off of. Top wick. Yep. Just had to look back. Oh, damn. Damn! It's the Undertaker! Where are you taking this, bro? Ha! Who's taking it to our support? Alright, I got you. 100 pips in 1 minute. No. We just dropped the last 1 minute candle, 153 pips. Yeah, I think we're gonna have sells off the hourly in here in 12 minutes. Let this bish pull up. Pull up like we beefing. Let's go. Oh, this is nice. It falls in line with these 2 wicks here. Let's see how we pull up. Oh, this is the Schnitt show. Or the Schmidt show. You always be seeing some wild shit when he talks. Oh, sorry, Benny. Sorry, I didn't know you were behind me. My bad. My bad. What's up? What's up? You got really big paws. Pause. Come on, hugga mugga. Let's go and bring it in. You're a good boy. Good boy. Ask what's the reason of clicking the buy or sell button twice instead of just doing kind of. I get to manage it. Sometimes I do it. Sometimes I only open one position, and I'll open 3 pineapples. It just depends on the probability of the position running. Bro, do me a favor. He's just laying down on me. Bro, you're so heavy. You're so... How is he still a baby? I don't know, but he's still a baby. He just turned 1. You know what his birthday was? We figured it out. We found out what his actual birthday is. He just turned 1. He was born on Valentine's Day. I reached out to the breeder. The breeder let me know. February 14th. Yeah, February 14th, 2024 is his birthday. So he's 1. He just turned 1 this month. Dog of love. All right, let's look at it. 7 minutes here for us to close. Might have entries before closure. I don't like this, that the fact that we came back here, price never came back there. Just a straight drive up. It's not just an hourly closure. This is a 4-hour closure for futures charts. Yeah, these will be entries up here. 86.3, 87.5, 89. Did you get your full TP hit, Jay? To your support, or you closed earlier?
Yep, no, I closed at 2867.22, but I closed earlier before as well, and then half a second later it dropped another 50 pips, so I went back in and it touched my entire TP. So I'm up 200 and something pips. I don't know, I wrote it in the chat. 206.80. Bro, it's insane.
Volume.
Yeah, and then when it came back up again and retraced, I got back in again. Yeah, Trump did say he was going to put 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico on March 4th, which is Tuesday, and then in April he's going to do 10% for China. China! No, you do it better. You say it better.
China!
There you go, waiting for it.
He does. He does. He does China. Or he does China and they go, where does his face go? We love the Chinese. They cook the best cats. We love cats. You know how his hand movement is always like a beat off. Like, it's not like people are like, well, you know, but he's like, well, he's like, oh, a little off beat. He's like a little slower. His hand movement is like a little off. Three minutes here for closure. You guys deserve closure. Oh, we tapped it. When did this happen? I didn't even see this. This just happened. Must have been in a split second. Wow. That should have been entry. When did this happen? I was watching it. Wow. That's grimy. Hope it breaks that high now. 'Cause it might not. When did this tap? I'm literally watching price here.
It tapped 2 candles ago.
Yeah, I see on
Or-
1 minute.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah, that was,
It doesn't look like much, but it's 30 pips. Bro,
yeah,
it's
no, I
massive
mean, it's
volume.
good that we should have been in there. I didn't recognize the tap. Yeah, now I want the break of the highs because I need a steeper wick. That should have been the trade, and that's it. Once that reaction off of it.
Mm.
Just the reaction. That's all we want, just this reaction off of it, because we were expecting a break of the highs afterwards anyway. Why do you expect the break of the highs? Because we're closing here on the higher time frame, and I'd expect the top wick. Yeah, we get to these areas again. I'll take another entry, but we need to get there. I can't take it mid-range. This is settling for a position. 50 seconds here for the 4-hour close. Fuck, man. This might see a bottom wick here first. That sucks. I didn't see us tap it. I must have been looking at spot gold for a second. Yeah, let's hope we come back up there again. I gotta scroll my mouse to the sell button right now and just wait for it to happen instead of scrolling later. It's so whack. Hey, I know we have the inner circle right now. We'll start it in like 10-15 minutes. I want to see if we get a position in here. If we break the low, we'll call it a stream with 3 trades, and then we'll start our inner circle session. Yeah, I think I was looking at spot gold and I didn't notice it tap. But now that we made this bottom wick, I'm not too excited. This is the vantage point. I still think it'll come down further because look at this 4-hour drop. But we're gonna need to grab more orders for me to be confident in it. Alright, I think we're gonna take this into the signal channel and the inner circle. Well, let's see. Pull up. I'm gonna take a sell right there. Just took a sell. Understand it's moving against you, so you could see drawdown here. I took a sell based off that level that we had drawn up, and based on the fact that we had a strong bearish closure on the last 4 hour. Might see a steep pullback. I'll let you guys know where I'm taking more positions if I am. Right there, just took an entry. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw the first one. My next entry at the wicks here. Hold on. I'll let you know when I'm getting in. Right there. Just took another sell. Right at these wicks. Well, we waited for our steeper wicks back above the range. Sell right there. So we took a sell here just now. There's a lot of volume. What the hell's going on? Be the 5 flip here. That is an ugly, ugly candle. Yeah, I'd expect the support here at 28.92 at the very least. At the very least. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I got a support drawn at 91.5 on my chart. We just tapped it. I'm closing full right there. I just closed that break even. I got a support right where we tapped 91.5, and that's a BE for me. I just closed, and I will wait for this. I closed with only commissions to pay for. Shit your pants? No, I mean, it should come back down, but I got a support here that I can't disregard. If the market's giving me, we broke these highs, and at this support, my break even is right here. 91.4. Right there. So, B for me, but I'm not, I wasn't expecting this heavy push up. I was expecting to reject here. So, yeah, if market gives you a chance to get out, you know, you're 10 positions in, and it's got a chance to run the other way, I usually get out. Now, if we were 4 positions in and we had 1, 2, 3, and then it's rejecting here, right? If we were rejecting here at the tip of the wick, I would probably close all positions except this one, letting it run.
I just closed now after that massive drop
Nice, good job.
of 30 extra bit. Yeah, that was insane. I still see it dropping. If it drops and breaks the lows, it'll keep going. So
Oh yeah,
I think that massive push was
it's
just
bearish price action,
yeah.
but once we're closing, look, let's go to the 5.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 5.
So
It created that top
When I
wick.
see this,
Mm.
I need this closure to respect this for me to stay in there. For me to say, all right, we respected resistance, right? But we didn't. We closed above and now we're closing below. So this is a fake out happening, but I can't bank on the fake out. I have to wait for the fake out to happen to confirm that it happened, right? But I can't expect the fake out here once we've closed back in range on that 5. Once it closes back in range, the probability of it's no longer your position. It's no longer the position I planned for. I do not, even though we're taking sells and I do want a top wick, my plan does not involve the closure back in range, because at that point the probability of your trade running drops significantly. So at this point I say to myself, all right, then now I'm looking for support to get out because we've just closed back in range. And the way these pineapples are spread out is meant for me to get out at that area. So I gotta go based on my breakdown and manage risk according to my breakdown, not according to, oh, all right, it might actually run and close back, because it might not, right? And now you're overexposed to a position you didn't plan for. So I tend to manage risk in those situations instead of hoping it runs. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But whether it does or doesn't, it's no longer the position I planned for. And when it's not a position I planned for, my goal is to manage risk.
Yeah, I actually closed a little after because it was a little different on on spot than on futures. Yeah, and that's why I waited for a second, and then I saw that drop of an extra 30. I was like, "Fuck it, I'm closing."
Yeah, no, it makes sense.
I still saw it coming down, and then it just rejected at 74 here, which is, I think,
It's just, the thing is, if I don't apply that logic to my trading, we don't go on this 115 or 118 win streak, because quite a few of those would be losses if I held on.
true. No, you're absolutely right, because it rejected a lot of times, and then exactly when you close, it rejected. So sometimes I'll hold it, sometimes I won't. It just depends
Yeah,
on
that
how I
22
see the
pip loss that
candles.
we had in the stream, that was like, if we didn't close there, you know, we
Oh,
settled.
it never came back.
It never
It
came
just
back any
went all the
closer.
way up.
If we waited for
Nope.
break even for it to keep going, it would have been like a 500-600 pip loss.
Yeah,
You know what
at
I'm
least.
saying? So I gotta stick to the plan that I create before I get in the trade, because that's what the risk management is based off of. All right, all good though. Break even number 116. What a day though.
Win streak still intact.
Oh yeah, it's been a great day.
Come on, drop a like, sub to the channel. It's
over,
free.
We're over 70 pips for the day here. You know what I mean? I'm cool with it. I'm cool with almost 80. Yeah, 78 pips. Almost 80 pips for the day here. Yeah, chat, I'm gonna call it here. I gotta do the inner circle, and the guys are waiting, and we usually start at 10. It's already 10:12. Just made everybody worry for a little bit. It's not a stream without some stress, right? So just for shits and giggles, we fucked around and found out. Hold on, break even 15. Right? Did I update the break even? Was it 114 or was it? Yeah, it's break even number 115 just now, and position number 4. All right. That's our session, gang. I'm gonna call it a stream here. If you're part of the Signal channel, I'll be trading in the Signal channel tonight for Asian. So show up tonight. I'm still trading till noon because we're gonna run the inner circle. So if you're part of the inner circle, watch out for a new link. I'm gonna drop another link for Zoom right now, and you guys can hop on there. Closed down when the market gave me a chance to manage based on Wick's previous breakdown for those positions. Mad W with the education. Yes. Congrats everybody on making some bank with us. Before we dip though, before we leave, you guys already know the deal and you know what we need to do. 78 pips on stream today. I will not be on live. Don't stream Asian, but I'll be live in the Signal channel. And we'll have discussions in there, and we will have signals in there. Anyway, spam some dubs, gang. I had to redo that video like 3 times. The first video I did, I clicked record, and it was apparently recording already. So when I clicked it, it was to stop recording, and did the whole video. Looked at it, it recorded nothing. So I was like, fuck, I gotta do this shit over again. All right, Zoom gang, Kenny, Nick, Drizza, the Panda. I love it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys in the clubhouse, but I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Mods, thank you as always for helping me run the stream. Signal channel, we're still trading until noon, and then I'll see you guys in the Signal channel tonight for Asian. And if you're part of the inner circle, look out for a new link. As soon as we close here, I'll open up a new Zoom. All right, chat, love and wisdom to you all. Appreciate all of you being here. But as for me, my time here is up, and just like that, another New York session is in the books. Later.